everyone. It's day 233 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird of the day is the white-throated sparrow. White-throated sparrows and dark-eyed juncos aren't close relatives, but sometimes they pair up. Their offspring end up looking like muted white-throated sparrows with bright white tail feathers. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?